Hi everyone! I am going to be cleaning my master bedroom today, so go ahead and stay tuned to watch me tidy up my room. It is a huge mess. I just recently got back from a trip and you will see me unpacking one of my suitcases, so keep watching. So here I am actually unloading my suitcase that has been sitting there for over a week. Not gonna lie, if you do the same thing, comment down below. I do this all the time, and you can see I started my own dirty laundry pile next to a basket. That basket is actually clothes that I am looking to donate or sell. So right now, I'm just trying to figure out what is clean, what is dirty, what needs to go in the laundry basket, and what needs to be donated. So here you can see that I am using this dusting mitt. It is from Norwex. I do not sell Norwex. I believe I got it as a bridal gift, but I love this thing and I use it every single day. I use it on all my wood surfaces, technology, any kind of shelves, anything like that. So now, as you can see, I am taking all of the junk that accumulated on top of my dresser and putting it into my drawers. So this tall dresser is mine, and then the shorter, long one is my husband's. So now I'm just folding everything, putting it away, or I'm putting it in my little cubby thing that hangs over the wall that I put some like random shoes, some belts, and scarves in. And as you can see, I do try to fold everything Marie Kondo style just because it fits in my small dresser very easily. Okay, so now as you can see, it is time to put all of the clean clothes away. So what I like to do for hanging up my clothes is actually laying them flat and stacking them so I can just put the hangers on and put them into the closet. It is so much easier than having to put the hanger on each individual item and putting them up into the closet individually. So after I'm done with that, I'm just gonna fold everything that needs to be folded and put everything away into the dresser or into the closet. So this is our closet. My husband and I live with our 10-month-old son in a 1,200 square foot house, so we only have one very small closet in our master bedroom, and I like to use these bins. And my husband, guys, has like 10 red sweatshirts. We are Ohio State fans, and so they are all pretty much Ohio State sweatshirts. So I just put his sweatshirts in his box, and then I put my swimsuits in my other box. And then we're also putting all of our belts in that third box. So that is how we organize our closet. Let me know if you would like a clothes tour, like a closet tour of all of the clothes that I have. And all those clothes you saw me throw, those are all on the floor of my closet. Now I am just finishing up dusting and I'm going to vacuum. I have the cordless Dyson vacuum. Guys, this is seriously the best vacuum I have ever had, and I also have a Shark vacuum, but I use that in our basement, which is not finished, and I like that for down there. But guys, this is so awesome. I have a lot of issues with my shoulders and my back, and this thing is so lightweight. It does such a great job. There are two different modes on it. There is an extra mode and then a normal mode, and then a whole bunch of different attachments, and I just love this thing and I can't stop talking about it. I found yet again another red sweatshirt, and I am just moving those clothes that everybody has where they're like clean enough to wear again, but they're not like dirty enough to wash. So just moving those around, putting them in the closet, and finishing vacuuming. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video, comment, and go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at its_Carlene_. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.